We'll now talk about sections. Your GoDaddy website is comprised of sections. For example, your header is a section. If I scroll down slightly on my website, my About Me is a section. Continuing down, my image gallery is a section as well, along with every other piece of my website. To identify a section, simply hover your mouse over it, and when you see this blue border appear around it, that's how you identify where the section begins and ends. If I scroll back up on my website and find my About Me section, we see a few different options appear on the right-hand side when we have it highlighted. Starting from the rightmost side, we see 3 horizontal dots. If I click into this, it allows me to duplicate or delete the section. Next, I see a color wheel. If I click on this color wheel, it allows me to change the colors of certain types of content within my section. I'll click on a new color to see what happens. I've now changed the color of this section to a nice deep purple. If I want to choose a custom color, I can do that as well. I'll go down to my recently used colors and go for this nice green. Now going back to the right-hand side, we see another icon to the left of the color wheel. If we click on this, it allows us to change the layout of our section on the right-hand side. Every section has multiple layouts, which allows you to really customize and alter your website to fit your brand and business needs. Now, if you want to move a section on your website closer to the top or bottom, you can reorder your sections just by clicking on the up and down arrows. For example, if I click on the up arrow, you'll see my section moves closer to the top of my website near my header. Then if I click on the down arrow, it'll move back down to where it was before. Now, what if you want to add a brand new section into your website? To do that is super easy. Move your mouse in between 2 sections and click on the blue Add a Section button. We'll start by clicking into this. Now we see on the right-hand side that there are many different sections for us to add into our website. If you're building a website for your restaurant, they have sections dedicated to that. If you're building a real estate website, along with other miscellaneous categories. Adding sections to your website is a great way to customize it and make it feel personal for your brand.